The distributive property, learn it, live it, love it. You're going to be doing it forever. Okay? So learn it now. Now listen. Now let me say something. For all numbers A, B, and C, A times the stuff in parentheses, that stuff in parentheses is called a quantity. Anytime you see something in parentheses, you call it a quantity. A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. Mr. Cortez, why letters? Well, that's a generic statement. We're not talking about, this doesn't work for just 2s and 7s, okay? This works for all numbers, okay? But it may be easier for us to understand it and to see it when they actually give us an example. So here's the example. It says 3 times 2 plus 4. Now let me ask you something. Emma, what is 2 plus 4? 6. And what's 3 times that? No? 18. Okay. So I know that this stuff over here, it equals 18. Do you agree with me? Okay. But here's what they're saying. They're saying that 3 times this quantity, 2 plus 4, is the same as 3 times 2. Do you see I drew a little arrow there? 3 times 2 plus, I keep this sign, 3 times 4. Everybody happy with that? Now, Vivian, what is 3 times 2? We'll work on the other side now. What is 3 times 2? 6. Plus, what's 3 times 4?
12.
And what do I get when I add 6 and 12?
18.
Do you agree that 18 is equal to 18?
Yes.
So this side over here is the same as this side over here,
Yes.
right? We distributed. Do you know what it means to distribute a, what does distribute mean? To pass them out equally. Elise gets 1. David gets 1. I distribute homework sheets every Monday. I distribute them. Everybody gets it. Okay? How many numbers? Now, they're separated by pluses and minuses. They have to be separated in the parentheses by pluses and minuses. So look at this. Here's the parentheses. How many numbers are there inside the parentheses that are separated by a plus or a minus? How many? Just tell me the number, Jenna. 2. And what are they, Jenna? 2 and 4. Okay? But they have to be separated by a plus or a minus. Not a multiplication sign. You don't distribute when there's a multiplication sign between them. Or a division sign between them. Only when there's a plus or a minus. Are you with me, Zachary? All right. Zachary said yes. Okay. Oh, now they just want us to evaluate this. Evaluate just means find out what its simplified value is. Okay? Well, let's do that. I'm going to scroll down a bit. Can someone help me multiply these two things? What's 3 times 2/5? What do you get, Rowan?
Well, I haven't done it yet, but it's 3 over 1.
3 over 1, and that gives you what? 6/5, right? Because we just multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. Done. Plus, we got to do it on the other side before we add. David, what do you get when you multiply these two?
Well, you have to change 3 to 1.
Uh-huh.
3 plus 2 is 9.
Uh-huh.
And 1 times 5 is 5.
Okay, good. Now, Elise, what do I get when I actually add those two things together? 15 over 5. And what does 15 over 5 simplify to, Isabel? Isabella?
Can we turn it into this fraction?
Well, I'm going to reduce it first, I think. Is there something that goes into both of them? What goes into both of them? 5? 5 goes into 15 how many times? 3. And 5 goes into 5 how many times?
1.
Excellent. Now, do I need to keep the 1 down there? No, I want to drop that off. So that just goes away. And we write 3. Excellent job. Let's look at the next video. Thank you, guys. Yes, please do.
It didn't stop.
It didn't stop.